We are now taking work offsets in single surface. Now, for example, I am taking X, but the same applies in Y direction or the Z direction. First, you need to manually go, check till the light comes, make X0, measure. Okay. Now, this one, it's going to go 3 more centimeter away from the surface to detect the position. Now G54 is the work offset that I have put. That's what I'm taking. G43 H3 is the tool number. G65 P8821 Z0. X 0.0 W54. I am updating in the 54 itself. If I want 55, I'll use 55, 56, 57 till 59. And extended work offsets, I'll put W1 till W48 as needed. Now I'm going to start the cycle. And it has updated the work offset. If you see, if I move it, and 360.381, 360.381, it's exactly at the center. Now, for whatever the work offset that we are taking, at this stage, if you want the offset to be 40 mm from here, you can add X40 here. It does not apply to the negative direction because it will only take from the positive direction if you are giving X 0.0, and to reach the movement it has to go in this direction. So if I add X 10.0 and then again retract back, go down, and update, right? So it's going to go additional 10 centimeters from the place. So earlier it was something like 360, now it is added minus 10 apart from the zero surface. So the and again has retracted back that much, 10 this one away. But it's a very isolated case. We would always suggest that you use the 0.0 touch surface as your work offset. Thank you.